Welcome to the Recruiting Dashboard presentation. This is a dashboard for recruiters, hiring managers, and any type of manager who's doing some form of recruitment and wants to have a weekly, monthly, quarterly digital dashboard of their activity. The image you can see here is actually the dashboard that you will have at the end of your data update process. So this is what you'll see on a monthly basis. You'll be able to track open positions, number of people hired according to the year, total applicants per hire, cost per hire, and then you'll be able to track the times that it takes to get through each stage of the recruitment process: phone screen, first interview, second interview, under offer, hired. So at any point you can see the open positions you have, number of people you've hired in that year, total applicants. You can go down and look at sources of hire and reasons for rejection. So the sources of hire here are things like website, Indeed, referral. You can kind of update these, and also you've got the reasons for rejection, whether it's salary, qualification, experience, skills, and you've got a nice graph here. So it's a nice kind of analysis that you can sort of use to sort of look at your recruitment process and troubleshoot problems and improve your processes, and then you can track what's happening. But the key ones I know that most people like to track are the cost per hire, average cost per hire, applicants per hire, and pretty much the time it's taking to get through the process, which you can see here. So you've got that, and then you've got the interview tracker. This gives you a little bit more data, but this is more drill down stuff. This is the main one you're interested in. There's also a tracker here which looks at the applicants and the stage of the process. You can look at a particular job, look at all the applicants, look at the number of people, at how long it's been advertised for, how long it's been in phone screening, how many people in first interview, second interview, and so on. This is the bit where you need to update everything. So you would start off putting in the codes. As you can see here, you can add in your own codes of application source, so you can track application source, rejection reasons, add those in, add in your years, job stage, all that kind of stuff. So you've got all this sort of data here, so you can track all these kind of things. Then you need to update each job that you're doing each year, and then, as you say, you also update the recruits and their positions. You keep this up to date all the time as new applicants come in, and as long as you're keeping this up to date on a weekly or daily basis or whatever, you'll have an up-to-date digital dashboard of what's going on. Thank you.